In this video, we're going to show you how to set up Kodi to automatically start up in the HDHomeRun add-on. If you have not already installed the HDHomeRun add-on in Kodi, please see our other videos for instructions. This is what Kodi looks like when you first start it up, and it has a lot of other options and things and features. But if you don't really need any of those other features and you just want to use the HDHomeRun add-on, then there's a way we can set this up to automatically start in it so you don't have to go all the way down here to the add-ons menu. There's other ways you can kind of clean up this menu and make it more simplified, but since we're just focusing on the HDHomeRun add-on, we're just going to show how to set that up real quickly. Now, instead of going to the HDHomeRun add-on through this add-on option here on the side, we are going to do something a little different. First thing we're going to do is going to go to the video options. We're going to select that, and then we're going to select video add-ons from there. Selecting our HDHomeRun add-on, but not actually pressing enter yet. Instead, we want to press the context menu button or press and hold the select button, and that'll bring up this little menu. We are going to want to add it to favorites. It's actually already been added here, but you can see right there. That's the option I want. Add to favorites. And now we can go back to our home screen. We're going to go all the way up to our settings icon. Going to go into add-ons again. Install from repository. We're going to want the services category this time. Last time we were in video add-ons, but this time we want services. We've got a lot of options here, but we want to go all the way down to one called Party Mode Auto Start, made by a user called Muttley. Select that, and we are going to install it. Select to the right and press OK. And it's going to do its thing, and it's actually going to have a little error here in a moment, but that's okay because we're going to set it up correctly in just a moment. So now that it's done, we're going to make sure we have selected again Party Mode Auto Start, but instead of installing it, we're going to go to Configure because it's already installed. Now here are all the options. Using this add-on, you can make it automatically start lots of things, but we want to use it for our HDHomeRun app. So it's already shows as enabled here. Go down to delay, press enter, and then press to the left. And you can see that number decreasing down to 0 because we want to start instantly. Press enter again. Now press down a few more times and we will see run favorites. And we want to enable that. So that's enabled. Now we press down again and select from favorites. Go down. There's our favorite we just added. And we only have to do all of this just once. Now I'm going to go over to the right here and select OK. Now we can exit out of all this. Once this is set up, this is going to happen every time we start up Kodi. So I'm going to quit Kodi here. And now I'm going to start it up again. Automatically goes right into the HDHomeRun add-on. And we're already there. And to quit, we can just go to exit. If you're using a Mac or Windows, you still have to use this little quit option right there. But if you're using Android, you can just keep hitting back and it'll get you back to the main menu. And if you are using, say, something like LibreElec or OpenELEC or OSMC, one of those operating systems that runs Kodi, you can also set up a remote key to shut down. There's a couple different ways to do it. We'll have some links in the video description about how to clean this up a little more, but that's the basic gist of it. And things a little bit more if you're just using Kodi for the HDHomeRun add-on.